What is up, you guys? Today is day 2 of the stay in shelter due to the coronavirus. So day 2, yesterday you saw a quick recap of what we did for day 1. So today we'll be doing the same thing, staying home. Just kidding. No, but yeah, seriously, we're just gonna be staying home today. It's actually a pretty ugly day today. I'm gonna see if I can get some things from Amazon since there's nothing really left to do. I have Chloe doing her letters. I have Zoe napping. I don't think you can see her. Oh, you can kind of see her. But yeah, so we'll be doing that for today.
Mama, tell them I'm doing homework.
Chloe wants me to let you know that she's doing homework. So yeah, she's doing her homework. We're just hanging out at home. In a few hours, it'll be lunchtime. So I'll make them their lunch. Hello. So, quick update on what I've been doing. Literally, I've just been washing and drying and folding. And that's all I've been doing for day 2 of the lockdown. I should be able to go back to work tomorrow. We had a conference call earlier. So, might be going back in. However, even if I am going back in, everybody else is pretty much still on lockdown. So I'll be able to show you guys what the streets look like, how traffic is moving, how I deal with it, because it's going to be a mission either way. I have to drop off the girls with the babysitter, but we'll see how this goes.